Okay, we're going to go ahead and create a square. The first thing we're going to do is shift over to geometry view. We're going to create a segment that's going to be the start of our square. And then what we need is a line perpendicular to that line segment. So I'll go to the perpendicular line tool. I'll choose a segment to which I want my line parallel and the point through which I want it to go. And then I'm going to create another one. So I will choose the tool again. I want a line that's perpendicular to this segment but that goes through this point. In order to create a square that has 4 equal sides, what I need is a circle. So I'm going to go ahead and create a circle with center and radius. The center is going to be this point, and the radius let's see, I want this segment to be the radius. And I think we can use this one instead. The circle was center through point. So this will be the center, and I want it to go through this point. So that makes this the radius. This segment here is now the radius. And what we have done is, since the radius is the same here as it is on this vertical piece, I have 2 segments that are the same size, and I begin to build my square. So I just need to create a point that intersects the circle and this vertical line here. And then the last thing, or one of the last things I need, is a line that is perpendicular to this line segment that goes through this point. And so let me choose perpendicular line. It's perpendicular, it's parallel. I need a parallel line. A line parallel to this segment that goes through this point. Let me try that one more time. See if I can undo that last thing. Okay, I need a line that's parallel to this segment, but that goes through this point. And now we finish by creating the last 2 segments. And just to make it clear where the square is, we'll use a polygon tool. And we've got to go all the way around and back to the initial point that we used. And now I can drag that very first segment I made, very first point I made, and we have a square, and it remains a square no matter where I move it. I can change the center, but it will continue to remain a square. And that's how you build a square.